Tired of a dull, boring car interior? I was too, until I upgraded to LED lights. These kits don't just add style, they improve visibility and driving vibe. Today, I'm showing you the best 10 car LED lights that truly stand out. But before we start, check the links in the description for prices and full details. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest Auto Review Lab reviews and deals. Number 1. Winzwon RGB Kit. If you want a colorful interior upgrade without spending a fortune, the Winzwon RGB Kit is a solid pick. This LED light set comes with app control, multiple lighting modes, and a built-in music sync feature that reacts to your favorite songs while driving. Installation is simple thanks to the adhesive strips and USB-style setup, making it beginner-friendly for most drivers. I like how the brightness levels can be adjusted depending on whether you want a relaxing nighttime vibe or a brighter cabin look. The flexible strips fit nicely under seats and dashboards without looking messy. Another big advantage is the huge range of colors available through the app. For drivers who enjoy customizing their vehicle's atmosphere, this kit delivers excellent value while keeping the interior modern, vibrant, and fun for everyday driving or road trips.
Number 2. Govee Interior Lights. The Govee interior lights are one of the most reliable LED kits for drivers who want premium app control and smooth lighting effects. The two-line design helps reduce messy wiring, which makes installation cleaner than many cheaper alternatives. One feature I really like is the Smart Music mode that changes colors with bass and rhythm, creating a more immersive driving experience at night. The app is responsive and easy to use, letting you control brightness, colors, and preset scenes within seconds. The lights themselves are bright without being distracting while driving. Govee also offers strong adhesive backing, so the strips stay in place even during hot weather. If you want a trusted brand with consistent quality and easy customization, this setup is hard to beat. It works especially well for commuters, rideshare drivers, and anyone upgrading their interior style.
Number 3. Ambient Fiber Strip Kit. This Ambient Fiber Strip Kit gives your car a luxury-style glow similar to high-end vehicles. Instead of standard under-dash lighting, this setup creates a sleek, ambient lighting effect along doors, dashboards, and trim lines. The included adapter and flexible fiber optic strips make it easier to customize different areas of the interior. I noticed the lighting looks softer and more elegant compared to traditional RGB kits, which is perfect for drivers wanting a premium atmosphere instead of flashy effects. The remote and app controls allow easy switching between colors and brightness levels. Installation takes slightly more patience because of the fiber strips, but the final result looks impressive once everything is set up correctly. Now here's something different. This kit focuses more on elegance than party-style lighting. It's ideal for drivers who want their car interior to feel modern, stylish, and upscale.
Number 4. LEDCARE Bluetooth Lights. The LEDCARE Bluetooth lights are a strong option for drivers who love deep color customization and wireless control. This kit includes multicolor lighting effects, app control, and music synchronization that creates a lively atmosphere during nighttime drives. One thing I appreciate is the brightness consistency across all 4 strips, which helps the cabin look evenly illuminated instead of patchy. The Bluetooth app is simple enough for beginners and offers multiple preset modes for quick adjustments. Installation is also easy because the flexible strips can fit tight spaces under seats or along the center console. The waterproof coating adds extra durability, especially for drivers in humid or rainy climates. If you enjoy road trips, late-night driving, or simply want your vehicle to stand out, this LED setup adds personality without requiring expensive modifications. It's stylish, practical, and surprisingly affordable for the features included.
Number 5. Wireless Safety Warning Lights. Unlike traditional interior LED kits, these wireless safety warning lights focus more on visibility and emergency protection. They are designed to improve awareness during roadside stops, bad weather, or nighttime emergencies. The wireless setup makes installation quick because there's no complicated wiring involved. I like that these lights are waterproof and rechargeable, making them useful for both cars and motorcycles. The anti-collision flashing modes are especially helpful if your vehicle breaks down on a dark road where visibility becomes a safety concern. Now here's something different. This product is more about protection than style. Drivers who travel long distances or frequently drive at night may find these lights extremely useful during emergencies. The compact size also means they can be stored easily inside the glove compartment. For added road safety and visibility, this accessory offers smart functionality at a reasonable price.
Number 6. Keepsmile Interior Lights. The Keepsmile interior lights are built for drivers who want bright RGB lighting with easy app and remote control features. This kit supports multiple color modes, music synchronization, and customizable brightness levels that can instantly change the atmosphere inside your vehicle. One thing that stands out is how vibrant the colors look, especially during nighttime driving. The adhesive backing is strong enough to keep the strips secure even on rough roads. I also like the dual control setup because you can quickly switch settings using either the remote or the mobile app. Installation is beginner-friendly and doesn't require advanced tools. For drivers who enjoy customizing their cabin for road trips, car meets, or daily commuting, this setup provides a fun and modern upgrade. The lighting effects feel energetic without becoming overwhelming, making it a great balance between style, comfort, and affordability for most vehicles. Number 7. Nilight Multicolor Kit. The Nilight Multicolor Kit is a practical LED lighting option for drivers who want reliable performance at an affordable price. It features multicolor RGB lighting, remote control, and music reactive effects to make nighttime driving more enjoyable. One advantage of this kit is its flexible strip design, which allows easier placement around seats, dashboards, and footwells. The lights are bright enough to create a noticeable glow without distracting the driver. I also found the installation process simple because the kit includes clear connectors and strong adhesive backing. The included remote gives quick access to brightness settings and color changes without needing to open an app every time. If you're looking for a straightforward LED upgrade that improves your car's interior appearance without spending too much, this kit delivers solid value. It's especially good for first-time buyers testing interior ambient lighting upgrades. Number 8. LivTee Wireless LEDs. The LivTee wireless LEDs are designed for drivers who prefer a cleaner installation with less visible wiring. This kit offers wireless remote control, multiple RGB colors, and smooth lighting transitions that instantly modernize your car interior. One thing I noticed immediately was how evenly the lights spread across the cabin, creating a balanced and comfortable glow. The wireless functionality makes setup faster compared to traditional wired systems, which is perfect for beginners. The brightness levels are adjustable, so you can create either a subtle ambient effect or a stronger, colorful atmosphere for nighttime drives. The compact design also helps hide the lights neatly under seats or dashboard areas. For drivers wanting style without complicated installation, this kit is an excellent choice. It combines convenience, customization, and affordability into a package that works well for daily driving, weekend cruising, or rideshare vehicles. Number 9. iFunyLED Replacement Bulbs. If you're more focused on brightness and visibility than RGB effects, the iFunyLED replacement bulbs are worth considering. These LED bulbs are designed to replace factory interior and exterior lights, including dome lights, license plate lights, and cornering lights. The biggest benefit is the crisp white illumination that instantly makes your vehicle look cleaner and more modern. I noticed improved visibility inside the cabin at night, especially when searching for items or entering the vehicle in dark areas. Installation is usually straightforward because the bulbs are designed as direct replacements for standard factory lights. Another advantage is the energy-efficient LED technology, which helps reduce power consumption while lasting longer than traditional bulbs. For drivers who want a practical lighting upgrade with better brightness and a premium appearance, this kit offers strong value without complicated customization or flashy RGB effects. Number 10. Zakolak Dome Light Set. The Zakolak Dome Light Set is ideal for drivers wanting a complete interior brightness upgrade at a budget-friendly price. This package includes multiple LED bulbs designed for dome lights, map lights, trunk lights, and license plate lighting. The ultra-bright white output creates a cleaner and more modern appearance compared to dim factory bulbs. One thing I really like is how much visibility improves when entering the car at night or organizing items inside the cabin.
The bulbs are energy efficient and designed for long-lasting performance, which means fewer replacements over time. Installation is simple for most vehicles because the kit includes several common bulb sizes. Now here's the interesting part. Even though these lights are affordable, they still deliver a premium-looking brightness upgrade. For drivers wanting better visibility and a refreshed interior feel, this set is a smart and practical choice. That's my top 10 car LED lights for 2026. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab your favorite lighting kit today.